Puro commander ng death squad yan. Encourage them lumaban. Pagka lumaban, patayin ninyo para matapos na ang problema ko.
Okay, so good day everybody. I'm back with another video. At ngayon po, magbibigay ako ng commentary dun sa Senate hearing ni former President Rodrigo Duterte. Mag-focus lang po ako dito mainly dun sa sa discussion between PRRD and Senator Hontiveros.
Lahat itong sa right side ko, dumaan ito ng Chief of Police Director. Puro commander ng death squad yan.
Okay, wait lang guys. Pause muna natin. So, sa ganito pong statements ni PRRD, aminin ko po kung ako po yung lawyer ni PRRD dito, medyo kakabahan ako dito kasi, ayun, nagsabi na siya na former death squad. Pakinggan muna natin, baka naman may biglang sabihin si PRRD.
I thought there was no existence. Trabaho ng police yan. Literally, hindi mo sabihin ng death squad. Yung isang senador, yan ang nakaupo niyan, si Senator De La Rosa.
Okay, time out ulit guys. Yun, sinabi naman niya, hindi naman daw talaga literal na death squad. Okay, so yun, medyo okay na. Pero yung opening statement kasi niya, pag ako yung abogado niya dito, medyo kakabahan tayo eh.
Death squad rin yan. Because they were police directors handling the controlling crimes in the city.
Okay. Yan,
So,
klaro na talaga.
pag sinabi mong death squad, it's a very loose term na ginagamit mo lang parang gano'n sila. Lahat yan sila, ikaw ito, si Danaw, ayan mo. Nagdadasal kasi sa kasalanan niya siguro. Magkano bang ilan bang pinatay mo?
Dito sa unang statement ni PRRD, yung first part medyo, yun nga, pag ako yung lawyer, medyo nakakatakot kasi di natin alam ano yung next statements niya eh. Pero now na medyo mas may context na tayo dun sa gusto talaga ipaabot ni PRRD, sinasabi lang naman niya yung death squad in the sense na if you are a chief PNP or you are yung chief director sa isang police station, talagang may chance na may mapapatay talaga yung yung office mo. In reality, yun po yung talagang possible na consequences or nangyayari po talaga as a police officer naman.
Tanongin ninyo, kung may utos ba ako na patayin ninyo yung tao na nakatali yung paa, pati kamay sa likod or assassinate them. Ang sinabi ko, ganito, prangkahan tayo, encourage the criminals to fight. Encourage them to draw their guns. Ayan ang sila, yan ang instruction ko. Pati yan si Kuy. Encourage, pati yan si De La Rosa, encourage them lumaban. Pagka lumaban, patayin ninyo para matapos na ang problema ko sa syudad ko.
Okay, so I think yun naman na yung full statement ni PRD. So yung sinabi lang niya, squad daw sila former Chief Bato and all the other former Chief PNPs in the sense na, yun nga, if you are a member of the police, there is a possible chance na talagang meron kang mapapatay during the line of your service. And sinabi ni PRRD, hindi naman daw niya pinapa-assassinate talaga yung mga drug dealers or yung mga criminals. Sinasabi lang niya, you encourage them to fight. So meron bang possible issue doon? If it is a matter of self-defense po sa police officer, wala naman pong liability doon because meron po yung justifying circumstance po sa revised penal code natin. So despite PRRD's statement na encourage na to put up a fight, to para manlaban, ganyan-ganyan, hindi naman po yun yung magde-determine kung what constitutes a valid self-defense talaga. Yung korte pa rin po talaga yung may trabaho nun. Titingnan po nila yan dun based sa set of facts. At kung meron talagang valid justifying circumstance, and then that is going to be a valid self-defense naman po yan on the part of our police officers. Pero again, uulitin ko and I will emphasize one more time na at the end of the day, it is up to the courts po to determine whether or not there is a valid set of facts or set of circumstances that will make it a valid form of self-defense on the part of our police officers. Hindi naman po yung mere statement ni PRRD na encourage will be the determining factor, diba? Kasi we have to remember the judiciary is an independent branch of government who makes their own decisions based on their own observations and findings po dun sa mga court hearings na nafa-file sa korte nila.